Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge World. First of all friends, I'm really sorry for a long time I have not submitted any videos because I was out of town. That's why I was not able to give you any videos. Sorry about that. So friend, I have come up with a very interesting thing, like those who wants to receive information as a lead, or those who want to create lead or generate leads, online leads from different user, or those who want to fill out the form from their user and want to receive the information, online information. For those kind of people, I'm going to help you to show you going to show you that how you can collect information from user, from your subscriber, or from anybody with the help of online forms. There are so many online form option, like Google form is also there, but I'm not talking about Google Forms here. I will be talking about Jot Form, which is a very useful and easy way to receive the information from your user, and you can create your design. You can make your own design in the form. You can create your form easily, and you what happened when you create the form is created, then you will be receiving the information in your email, and the user is filling out the form. They will also receive an email as a notification, and also with the help of this jot form you can also receive the payment in your payment gateways. If you have a payment gateways, you can integrate that, and when somebody will fill out the form, the it will reflect in your payment gateways. But I'm not going to show you that thing right now, and I'm going to show you like how you can actually receive the online information and collect the data, and you can make leads. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to jotform.com. As you can see the website here, and you need to sign up if you are new. All right, type your username, which can be anything. Choose your username as per your desire. Email your email id, password, confirm password, and create account. Okay, so already I have done that, so I'm going to simply log in and I'm going to start creating the form without wasting your time. So let me just, as you can see, I have already logged into my account, and from here I'm going to start creating a online form. So there are ton of options, template and theme, which you can select from here. As you can see on the top, it's mentioned, so you can select the theme, template. So let's see, if you are creating theme, you can click here also, create form. But let's go from here on the top, theme, and select your theme. First of all, there are so many ton of theme which you can choose from. And the category also, there are lots of categories there. You can select the category as per your requirement which suits you. Okay, so for in example, I'm just showing you. Okay, so I won't take too much time. I'm selecting a template or theme here. Once you select the theme, you click on use theme here, and then this one, clone theme, clone form, and now it's creating. So just wait for a moment and it will give you option to edit the whole form. Okay, so it's loading, please stay tuned. All right, the form is loaded now. Initially it looks like this. You can choose the color, change the color. If I click on this A, letter A, you can see the form colors is getting changed. So whatever, whichever you like, just finalize it. So I like the this one. Okay, but this one is bright, so what I'll do, I'm going for this one. Okay, simple. And you can choose the style, cs theme. There are lots of other theme, current theme. So you can modify the theme, okay, later on also. Don't worry about that. Choose a file and you can upload your own image also. Okay, so once you confirm with the theme, like if you want plain theme like this white theme, so you can do that. Okay, the color is here. Okay, now let's start with the, okay, so now as you can see here, it says full name and it says the top one says registration form. So I want to change this one, registration form. If you want to change this one, click on this gear sign here, property, and you can change the name or registration form, or sign up, or just put sign up form. It can be a sign up form only, okay, like this, and you can see this will get changed. All right, now you say please fill in the form below. You can change that one if you want or don't want, but I want this one. Okay, if this one is done, now come to the full name option. There you can see the prefix, first name, last name. What if you don't want the prefix? You can change it, don't worry about it. So just click on again the property, the gear sign, and then if once you click on this one, there you go to the there are options, few options here. So you need to go to options here and just turn off the prefix, then the prefix will gone. Okay, and you will only have the first name, last name. So I'm designing the form this way. You can design the form. Now this one is done, so I'll go to the address. Once you click on address, this got selected. Now if you don't want the address line 2, just click on property as I did before, and again go to options and just uncheck this address line 2, and that will go on. So you will only have the address, city, state, zip code, postcode. All right, now the phone number, there's a phone number. Again, if you want to modify something here also, country code, if you want, you can add the country code. And there are lots of options. You can take the name, phone number in this format, or if you just input mark turn off, it will be like area code phone number in this format. Your email id option, then if you want this box for suggestion to type something, but if you don't want, you can delete that also. And after creating the form, if you want to add some more elements, right here to add something, just go to add form element here, and you can add anything you want. Like if you want add to text, just click on that text and create edit to text, it's added. If you don't want this, you delete that, and shortcut and anything you want, type of question, short text and entry you want, and then you go to property and then rename this one. It can be like education. I'm just putting education, and then that's it. So you can, a user can type the education field also. Now if you go to submit form, you can also modify the submit form. It says submit form, you can just simply make it submit, so it will show submit here. Now you can change the color also. Let me just show you that. Go to option in the, where is that, let me just check that out, one moment. I'm just checking submit property and button style. If you go to button style, and you can make it black, you can give any color to this, green, whatever you like. You can change the position, center, or right, auto, left, or center, anywhere you can put it. Once you design the form, okay, now one thing, you can add a logo. It says add a logo, you can put your logo also. So if you click here, you can upload the logo. By clicking here, you can upload your logo. I am showing you there's a default, so I'm using this default one, and I'm putting in center. So I have added the logo also. Now I'm just showing you, okay, you can use your own creativity. Okay, now once the form is created, then the second part on the top, as you can see, building, settings, and publish. So go to settings then, and as you can see, it says which form registration, right? Which front registration you can change, and only you can, anything you can put. I'm putting only registration form. Okay, and then okay, so it got changed. Okay, if you go to build again, you can see it says registration form. Go to settings, and again you can go over here, the second conditional, leave it, don't touch it, don't play with this one. Okay, and now go to email settings. Here this is very important part. Here you need to take care this notification panel, like the email I have given here, all the notification will come to this email ID. Okay, so if somebody will fill out the form which I have created online, when I'll share this form in social media or anywhere, when somebody will fill out the form, I will get the notification in my email ID through which I have signed up this Zot form. So in that email, all my notification will come up, which can be changed. You can add that. You can add that. Another email ID you can add in your here you can go to email, and this is the like showing you the preview, like how what are the information they will receive. I'll show you. Okay, give me a moment. Recipient, in the recipient my email is there. I can, if you want to add some more email, you need to take like upgrade this Zot form. You need to take the premium account. This is a free account, so you can use only one email ID. But if you want like multiple people should receive your information, user information, you can add multiple email IDs as a recipient email. But for that you need to upgrade the account, keep in mind. Okay, and okay, there are options you can take a look. Okay, I'm not going through everything right now, just for the basic I'm showing you. These are the information user will receive in as a form. Now once everything is done, now one more thing, in the last option says thank you page. Once there is user will fill out the form, they will receive thank you, like this finally after submitting thank you page. Okay, so this is your thank you page. Now once everything is done, go to publish option, and there before publishing, or if you before every complete this thing done, okay, you can check it. So once you click on open a new tab, it shows here how your form will look like, which you have created. So it says sign up form, as you can see here, with all the beautiful background image and your full name, last name, whatever you have added, education. You can add more multiple elements. Don't worry about that. In the building of build option, there are multiple elements that you can add. If you want more information, keep adding, it will get added, and you can edit them by clicking here and by going to property. So you can add more multiple elements, don't worry about that. Okay, so I'm just showing you, so that's why. Okay, so once my form is created, the basic information I need from my user, now I'm just going to fill out this form, and I'll show you how you will receive the information in your inbox. Okay, so let me just fill out the form, stay tuned. So friends, as you can see, I have filled out the form, whatever information I wanted to fill, just to show you, and I'm submitting this one. Okay, so let me just submit this, and then I'll be getting the thank you page here, which is loading now, as you can see. So actually why I didn't get the thank you page, because I didn't choose that thank you. Let me just go back, thank you page, and yeah, I can add the thank you page. So thank you page should be there, and don't worry, you will get the thank you page option. I think I couldn't select that, that's why it's not showing, but normally it shows that thank you options. Okay, so once you selected that, fill out the form. Now let me show you where the email goes for information goes. Okay, so I'm going to my email. Okay, and as you can see, I have received the information here. I have filled out the form in my email ID here, the information I typed. Okay, these are the information that I put in the form, and I have, this is a user, like I have filled up the form as a user, so I received the information. Okay, now also I'm showing you the notification email that you will receive. Okay, here is the notification email that I have added. In the notification mail, like which is your email, you will receive this form, this one. So this way you both will receive the email. Okay, and that's it. You This is the information I wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you understood what I'm trying to make you understand. The jot form helps you to receive and to collect the information to generate the leads. In case if you have any doubts, you can put the comment. I will try to help you. And remember, you have to give a try yourself. Play with the jot form, use the template theme, and I'm sure you will be able to do this. It's very easy. So like I told you, publishing, you can keep this copy link, copy the link. This is your jot form link which you have created. Copy this link, and simply you can paste anywhere, and the form will get loaded. Your form will come up like this. Now, as you can see in the address, I did not mention the country. So don't worry, you can later on you can go to the build option anytime, and you can, in the address section, I can go to address property, and I can, I want to add country. I can add the country. As you can see, the country got added, and you can, again go to publish, copy the link, and it will be edited. So I hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, and you can share this video with your friends and family. And if you like my work, don't forget to subscribe the channel to get more videos like this and to boost your information. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.